Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video we have this 55mm pretty old Bane Sekulic padlock or Bane padlock. This particular lock is not named. There were two versions, named one and unnamed. This is unnamed version, and it's from very early 2000s or maybe even 1999. 55mm completely sealed unit. It's not locksmith rekeyable. We have this pretty interesting style of Yale keyway. It's mirror image of regular one, and we have not so hardcore beating. This is pretty easy beating, and it doesn't unlock like all regular pin tumblers from the clockwise, but counterclockwise. And we have this steel locking pole, which is not shimmable. It's single-sided locking mechanism, and we have also this distribution number. I feature those numbers in previous videos, so go check it out if you want to know more about those distribution numbers. This is number 4. And now we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open. I'm going to use this thick tension wrench from truck windshield wiper, and it fits perfectly. But because of huge pins inside, I don't know if we have enough space for this shallow city rake. But we're gonna try it. Believe me, those older Bane locks are not easy at all to pick. They're pretty hard to pick because those locks are really well made, well executed. You need for Bane padlocks to apply small amount of tension, like in case of American locks, and to see what's gonna happen. I'm not raking typically, because rakes don't work in case of those locks. Those locks are really well made. Even with not so good beating, we have pretty good resistance. Locks from Bane padlocks from 1991 till 1994 are even harder because their pins are so huge. They have key pins, some of them longest key pins are practically 1 centimeter long, which is very unusual for key pins, and that's why it's not easy to overcome those locks, especially when they are not in use. When they are used and worn out, it's pretty easy to overcome them, but when they are in perfect condition, they will put some fight. We have to increase attention a bit. We don't have anything for now. all the pins are coming back. Usually, all the YouTubers I saw picking Bane padlocks, they picked Chinese locks. Practically no Western YouTuber encountered real old Bane padlock from the 90s or early 2000s. Those locks were made to be really secured as a basic security locks. Maybe not in case of physical attack, but in case of pick resistance, they are very, very good, very well made. We don't have anything for now. Well, now I'm gonna try to zip it open. There it is. We have it open with beach picking. So, as usual, some technique always works with a lock with standard pins, but those versions from 1991, 2, 3, 4, and 5, those are full of serrated pins, and those locks behave pretty much like American locks. They are very hard to find, but I have 10 of them, and I'm not able to pick them. They're really pick resistant locks. So, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.